Everybody off the bus. Yeah! Pictures and send them to us.
Okay.
Hey. Show them no mercy. So first event is this race. The go-kart race is all based on time. Person with the fastest lap, they rank it here. Correct? Am I right? Fastest time will be first place, and second, third, all the way down. And the first place winner here gets 11 points on their score. Every place down from there is -1. So second place gets 10 points. Third place gets 9 points, 10 points. I'm not good at math. That's never my strong point. 11, 10, 9, 8, all the way down. So we've tested the street smarts with the go-kart race. Now it's time to test the book smarts with this crazy quiz of 10 questions that you need to answer in 3 minutes. However many you get right is your score. Good luck, gentlemen. Not about the size of your pencil, it's how you use it.
Oh my God.
1, 2, 3. Good luck, gentlemen. Three, 2, 1, pen down. Pen down. No. Everybody to the shade. The white and black are both worth 1 point. You can get it in the blue or the red for 2 points. You hit the yellow, you get 3 points. Third place gift card will be going to Josh Stanner, Canada! Woo! Congratulations.
So you just made history for us because you're
Second place for the cooler, Rick Nichols! New York City! Hey, congratulations. Who's first place? You want to know who it is? Shake it up. You want to know who it is? Yeah! It's Logan! The only guy who got a 6 on the test. That's impressive. Nice job, brother. What I'm talking about. Did not do that on purpose.
Congrats, brother.
All right, here we go. All right, Logan. Moment of truth, buddy. Some very difficult options here.
Yeah. I think it should be too hard.
What a tough choice to make. Oh, man. Can I have them all? Oh, come on.
Yeah!
Good choice. All right. That's a fair choice, dude. I like that choice. Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you so much.
That's awesome. I love it, man.
Congrats.
Hey, you deserve it, buddy. Good choice, dude. That's a great choice. Yeah, that's good. Wait, you gotta get in there. Think so?
Well, America, Logan has chose the truck, and as you can see, Heavy D is now truckless. Congratulations, my friend. She's all yours.
Congratulations.
Thanks, guys.
All right, brother.